Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing the Lian Infinity fans. These fans were purchased with our own money for our builds. This video is not sponsored. Don't forget to check out our Season 2 build reveal. There are important details about the giveaway at the end of that video. The Lian Infinity fans are known for their ease of use and low noise. These fans come in two sizes, either 120mm or 140mm. These are software-controlled fan speed and LED lighting fans, and they come in either black or white to match most builds. The daisy chain design only requires one cable for a cluster of fans. This makes cable management cleaner. There is an infinity mirror on the fans already, which makes the look of the fans unique from others. For the entire build, you should only need one controller, and it is easy to hide in the back of the Lian cases we used. You can see these installed in our Season 1 and Season 2 builds in different cases. The L-Connect 3 software is the software that allows users to control the fan speed and the LED lighting. This software is easy to use and has a lot of different options. Depending on the color of your build, white or black, the colors can look slightly different. The L-Connect 3 software is impressive. The ability to control the brightness, speed of sequences, and the plethora of colors make the possibilities feel endless. You can really personalize your computer to express yourself. For more information on these fans or how to properly install them into your build, the Lian website will be linked in the description. Now let's get into the review. For design, we give these fans 4 stars. These could potentially be the best-looking fans on the market, but we noticed one small flaw. For the end of the daisy-chained fans that do not have the wire, it is just left open with the connector exposed. In certain cases, you may be able to see this. We did reach out to Lian's customer service in December to ask if they have designed or sold any caps for this, but never heard back. In the automatic response, it does mention to not reach out more than once, so we never followed up. We have also noticed that the vibration dampeners have started to fall. They are secure with a screw, but it does not look great. The poor design would cause people to have to open their build every once in a while to fix the issue. For utility, we give these fans 4 stars. If all of the fans in the case are the same infinity fans, the system works flawlessly and would deserve a 5-star. Unfortunately, in our mini case, we used a 140mm uni Lian fan, and when it is wired to the controller, you can only control the lighting of either that fan or the infinity fans once each time you either shut down, sleep, or restart the computer. If using these fans, we would recommend for the best experience, only use these fans in the build. For value, we give these fans 3 stars. They are luxury compared to other LED fans. We would say you get what you pay for when it comes to these, but the price is quite high for the average build. A 3-pack of the 120mm fans is $110, and the single fan is $33 at Micro Center. Depending on the case, it would be easy to spend a few $100s on just fans. You are paying for the intuitive design and easy-to-use software, but if you don't change the color often or can organize your wires nicely, you may want to look into other fans. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about these fans? Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the support and we'll see you in our next one.